Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Verify Windows 11 and that you're signed into an admin account. Once confirmed, open Start, type Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and click Windows Security. Make sure the service icons are visible. This shows Windows security components are available. If you use a work device, check that group policies or MDM aren't enforcing third-party AV. Now, click Open Windows Security to begin enabling Defender features. This launches the app where you'll continue to configure protection. You're in Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings to expose toggles. Turn on real-time protection so Defender actively blocks threats. This is the primary shield. Next, enable cloud-delivered protection to speed threat detection and turn on automatic sample submission to help Microsoft analyze suspicious files. Make sure tamper protection is enabled to prevent settings changes by malware. Once these are set, Defender will update its definitions automatically. Check protection updates to force a manual update if you want immediate signatures. You finalize by running a quick scan to validate current system health. If you find issues, run a full scan. Then review protection history for quarantined items and open device performance for broader health checks. If Windows Defender remains disabled, make sure no third-party antivirus is active. Windows will disable Defender when another AV is installed. Also verify group policy, run gpedit, MSC, and check computer configuration, right arrow administrative templates, right arrow Windows components, right arrow Microsoft Defender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.